Welcome to the new video. In this video, we will be unboxing our robotics kit grade 4. This is how it looks. Let's open. So first, we get the component list, a battery, 2 tires, a thread, a packet of blocks and components, a full packet of wood bricks. First, let's start with the blocks. In this packet, we get a button block which looks like this. It has a button in the center. Whenever we press it, that time the current flow starts. Whenever we release our finger, that time automatically the current gets cut. We have a power block. On the back side, we have a power connector jack also like this. This is the power connector. We insert it like this. There is a switch to turn it on and off. After this, we have a dark block. In the center, you can see there is an LDR sensor and this circular thing which you can see there is a calibrator for it. After this, we have a motor driver and a motor. In the center, there is also a switch for making the motor forward and reverse. Now let's start with the wood bricks. So the first one, we get the 5-hole beam which looks like this. According to the component list, the quantity is 12. After this, we have 1-hole elbow, the quantity of 24. We have 1-hole beam, which looks like this. After that, we have a packet of 2-hole elbows. The quantity of 2-hole elbows is 12. This is how it looks. After this, we have 3-hole elbows. The quantity of 3-hole elbows is again 12. This is how it looks. After that, we have wheel coupler. This is a bit new. This is how it looks. Also, in that same packet, we have dummy axles, which looks like this. We get a robotic key, short, medium, and long axle, coupler packet. The quantity is 14. BO shaft. Next is the block holder. Next is the battery holder. And the last one and the new is axle wheel coupler. This is how it looks. So this was the complete unboxing of Robotics kit.